southeastern Pennsylvania, western Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until
the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 6 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts and winds to nearly 50 knots, located over Thomas Point Light, moving north at 45 knots. Locations impacted include Bush River, Hart Miller Island, Susquehanna Flats, Pools Island, Northeast River, Elk River, Spessady Island, Turkey Point, Gunpowder River, and Middle River. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northern Maryland and the adjacent coastal waters.